Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play Plush by the Stone Temple Pilots on electric guitar. Now, I've also posted an acoustic guitar lesson on this song. To get to that one, use the link in the description below this video. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And we'll start with the intro by playing these chords. The chords for the intro will start with a simple G chord formed by placing a finger on the B string fret 3 and the high E string fret 3, strummed from the D string. Then we'll move to a D major 7 suspended 4 sharp 5 like this. Now that's got a long name that you don't have to try to remember. You just need to know that's the chord that we need, and it's a simple chord to make. We're going to play the G string at fret 3, the B string at fret 2, and the high E string at fret 3, strummed from the D string. We'll move to a D7 suspended 4 chord by leaving the ring finger on the high E string at fret 3 and moving these two fingers down by 1 fret. Now we're on the B string fret 1 and the G string fret 2, and we're going to strum that one from the D string. And our next chord is another simple G that we'll just make by putting this finger here and leaving it there at fret 3 on the high E, and that's our last chord. Okay, so we've got our G, D major 7 suspended 4 sharp 5, D7 suspended 4, and G. In order to get back into our chord progression, we'll leave the finger at fret 3 on the high E and play this. So what we're doing there is we're holding that note down and moving up on the B string by 1 fret each time. Open, 1, 2, and then we're back to our G chord. We'll strum those chords this way. Down, 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 and then we'll move up with those double stops. When we put some serious overdrive on those chords, they'll sound like this. Now for the verses, we'll play a G chord, a D chord, an F chord, a C chord, and an E flat major 7 chord. back down to an F. We'll form that E flat major 7 chord by moving to fret 6 and borrowing from the A string down. We'll bring in the ring finger to the D string, fret 8, the middle finger to the G string, fret 7, and the little finger on the B string, fret 8, and strum from the A string. That's E flat major 7. We'll strum those chords this way. So our strumming pattern, starting with the G chord, is down, down. And between strums, we'll play this. That's a muted strum. I'm touching the strings, just barely, playing the chord, then releasing the chord and keeping the fingers there and doing a down, up, down, like that. I want to hear the strings come out because when we add the distortion, we'll hear some harmonics, okay? So, like that. So, when we get to the D chord, it's up, down, down. Then F chord, C chord. And then we'll go up to our E flat major 7 chord and play this. Then we'll move down to our F chord, strike it once. So here's the entire thing. And here's what it'll sound like when we add overdrive. Now for the pre-chorus. And for the pre-chorus, we'll play a D chord, a C add 9 chord, a G/B chord, back to a C add 9. And we'll strum it this way. And that strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up. And we'll do that progression 4 times. And with the song, it'll sound like this. And now for the cool part. For chorus 1, we'll play this. Now notice on the muted strumming, I'm really hitting into the guitar, right? Because when that distortion is added, I want to get some harmonics to come out. So we're going to have, and that's down, down, and that was a down, up, down on the muted strum. Down, 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 up, down. And the second one is an up, down, down. So it's down, down, up, down, down. And the same thing down here. Like that. Now if I add overdrive to that and strum it, it'll sound this way. Now I'm also adding my thumb, if you can do that, to this bass note here at the first fret on the low E string, so I get a low note there. So it sounds a lot like a power chord. So here we go again. Now this song has a second chorus, and we'll play that chorus with these chords. A G chord here, an F6, a C chord, and then we'll go up the neck to fret 6 and play an E flat chord and a D chord, like that. Now to be more specific, we're playing our G chord like this, the way we played our F chord. Okay, so we're going to raise that F up to a G, and that's at fret 3 to fret 5. We're going to go down to an F6 by playing the F chord and adding a finger at fret 3 on the B string. So we get that, right? So we get this. A C chord and an E flat chord by putting a finger on the A string, fret 6, and borrowing from the D string down at fret 8. Now we don't want the high E string. And then go down one fret for a D, like that. We'll play that this way. So G down, 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 up, down, F6 down, down, up, down, C down, 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 up, down, E flat, down, down, D down, down. So now we're going to do that progression only once, and then we'll follow it with this for 3 progressions. We're going to play that by going to the G string and playing open, 2, 4, the B string 3, back to 4 on the G string, 2, open. So that's, and then we'll go to an F6 shape like this, right? Now we had this earlier, but we'll play this, and then we'll play this. Now what we did there is we have our chord shape in place, and then we're going to sweep the strings, open the B string, fret 2 on the G string, and then open. So that's, then we'll go to a C shape like this. We've got a finger on the D string, fret 2, a finger on the B string, fret 1, and we're going to go. Then we'll go to the 3rd fret on the B string, to a D, back to the 1st fret, open, G, and then back to our E note at fret 2. So it's, and then we'll go back up to the E flat chord, D chord. So again, that's, and with the actual recording with overdrive, it'll sound like this. After that, we'll go back to our intro part, which is, and we'll repeat all the progressions. So that's all you need to know in order to play Plush by the Stone Temple Pilots on electric guitar. Now for my acoustic version, use a link in the description below this video. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.